You're only like halfway.
It's done. It's done.
What is it? There's still going for me. There's just like, I can still see shit in the sky. Oh, there's like a 1 nugget left. Okay, there we go. It's all gone. Oh my god, you just like did everything in 1 millisecond. What the fuck?
You got it.
No.
Also,
I've
we
got
got
one.
another crystal, so we're doing another fucking chingy wing.
What?
Come here, Joe.
I don't know.
He's disappeared.
Oh, what the f?
That means we have to go further in than the oval.
No, it's fine. Can't be fucked with that.
Well, I don't know where you guys
There's a
are.
village here. What the fuck is happening? Oh, what is happening? Oh no. Being perpetually chucked in the air. This is not fun.
Never.
Oh, 2 bars. Oh, let's go. I see another name tag. Oh my fuck.
Yeah.
Imagine if you tried to play Apex on his laptop.
Yeah, he would definitely want to play some Apex.
It's like how the song goes.
No bread?
Oh, bread. I'm literally holding bread in my hand. An individual bread.
Yep, told you.
How you... What the fuck? I'm gonna clip that.
Modern capabilities. That was a pretty whack car.
I'm just like, I was just in the process like making a waypoint and just called it pretty whack car.
That's like good. You should clip it.
Why?
It'd be funny.
I don't know.
Oh, you need to clip more. You need to clip more.
Clip.